So there's a very strange phenomena which happens in human consciousness, and I guess it happens with every one of us. A thought will just appear for a few seconds, yet it influences someone's entire day. Or a memory from 10 years ago still can create fear today. Or let it be an imagined future moment which actually creates anxiety even in the present moment. But why does this happen? Not because thoughts are powerful in themselves, but a thought is just a movement in the consciousness. Now the real mystery is that consciousness sometimes forgets its nature and it begins to identify with the content which is appearing inside it. Now that is exactly what happens in life. For example, a thought will appear and we will say that, I'm not good enough. Or if fear appears, then we are like, what if this happens again? Now, you did not suffer because thoughts appeared. You suffered because you become psychologically fused with it, that this thought was actually you. And when you have this identification with the thought, then freedom disappears. But the thing is that the observer was never trapped. The observer is the space where thoughts appear and disappear. Your emotions will change, your thoughts will change. One moment you will think of something, and the other moment you will think of something else. That means thoughts are changing, your identity is changing, emotions are changing, and stories are changing. That means that whatever is happening in that space. And the one who is aware of all these changes remain untouched by these thoughts, because nothing actually holds the observing self. Only the identification creates the illusion of that captivity.